Hello all. So today we're talking about stem and leaf plots and dot plots, which are graphs number 6 and 7 out of 12, gross, that we have to get done. You should be watching this either today because you haven't taken the benchmark yet, or tomorrow, which is Wednesday, because you have taken the benchmark. So this assignment, plus the assignment from the end of 2.1, which was the ogive and frequency polygon assignment, are all due on Thursday when the benchmark's over. So here's what a stem and leaf plot looks like. You've probably done this in some math class before now. So you have kind of a line going down, and on the left you have, I guess you call it the stems, and on the right you have the leaves. The higher number is on the left. In this case, it would be the tens place. So this is really just a way to organize data. I have the exact same data from yesterday, and notice that since nobody had a test score that was less than 65, I'm not going to put like 20s or 30s or 40s on this. I'm going to start in the 60s. So again, in this one, this is the tens side, and over here is the ones side. You can also do this with like ones and decimals, or hundreds and tens over here if you want to. And then you always need a key on the side, but we'll get to that in a moment. So let's see, I've got 65, so the 5 goes right there, and 72, 90, 95, 82, 93, 81, 68, 96, 88, 72, and 79. Since there are 12 numbers over here, if you count up all the numbers on the right side, you should get to 12. So let's say that's 7 plus 5 is 12, yep. And again, they don't have to be like in numerical order. So here's 0, 5, 3, 6. They don't have to be that way. And then you also need to make a little key on the side. It doesn't even have to be one of these numbers, but it can be if you want. You could say 7-2 is 72, because in a stem and leaf plot, it is not always tens and ones. Okay. That was graph number 6. Now we're doing graph number 7, which is called a dot plot. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to finish your notes. Moving on. Number 7 is a dot plot. So dot plots look like this. It's basically a number line with dots going up. Oh, and also stem and leaf plots, you always need to have a title. So I'll just put test scores here. And then same thing down here, test scores. So you got a number line going across the bottom, and it can start wherever you want it to start. So in my case, I'm going to start it at 60. And then I'll do 65, 70. It is important that you kind of space it out correctly. Okay, and then you put dots above anything that is a mark. So 65, we've got a dot. 68, we have a dot, so about here. 72, but there's actually two 72s, so if you have more than one of the same thing, the dots go up. So they kind of stack on each other. And then we've got 79, 82, 81, 88, 90, 93, 95, and 96. So that would be a dot plot of our test scores. And you can see that if you have a whole bunch of them, like I'll show you this one, if you have a whole bunch of them, then they stack upwards, like that. So that's it. So this whole big assignment, both parts of it, is due again on Thursday. I think I said it was due Wednesday yesterday, so my bad. Yesterday's assignment was page 53. So yesterday, you were supposed to, and the day before, you were supposed to do those ogives, which was 39 and 40. And then the frequency polygon, so that made 39 through 42. That was the first assignment. And then the second assignment is from 2.2. And that one is going to be, let's go with, page 62, numbers 5 through 8. And those are just reading graphs, by the way, not actually making them. And then we'll do number 18 and 24. All right, so these two assignments together are due on Thursday. All right, feel free to log into the chat if you've got questions. I'll be here. Bye.